So how do you fix the green messages on the iPhone? Now, this is a question you might be facing, and if you like this type of tutorials, don't hesitate and subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. But the green messages simply exist to let you know that these messages are the over-the-carrier SMS text messages, whereas blue bubbles are the iMessage, which are over the internet. So you can see that your messages can either be green or blue, and this is the distinction. Again, blue ones are iMessage over the internet and in between Apple devices, whereas the green text messages are over the carrier and you can text any device. So if you notice that your messages are green, just go to the settings. Then at the bottom of the page, we have the apps section, and from this, go to the messages, where all of the other things can be managed. And you essentially need to make sure that iMessage is turned on. That is important. And of course, the other information like the send and receive options are enabled, like your phone number or email address, right? You just want to make sure that it is all there. If it doesn't work, you can still just turn it off and then turn it back on to perform a quick reset. But what also could have happened is that everything is okay on your side, but if a person has switched the phone, for example, they might get a different device and not an iPhone anymore, then, well, on your side, everything is fine, but you cannot text with them through the blue iMessage text. But if they get a new number or a new phone, then you'll probably only have the option to talk to that person using green bubbles only. So that's how it works if they left the Apple ecosystem, or if they get it like a different device. So this is how it works. If you have any specific concerns or things in mind, go ahead and let me know about that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future tutorials.